You're pretty confident for a human. Let's see how confident you are when you're bad as a bat.
What? Ah! Give me my bat back, you stinking monster!
Come on, umpire, do something. What do you mean, umpire? I'm a vampire. Come on, team, ignore those jerks. This is the regional semifinals. Batters up, get it? Because his bat is bats.
Watch it, nerd!
Get ready for a knuckleball.
Look out, he just threw his own knuckle. Oh.
Crazy whack! Snap attack!
Up next, a request for a nosy Adrian Carter, who's been sniffing around other folks' business again. Here's Barking Up the Right Tree by the Singin' Canaries, for a certain smarty pants out there who has a nose for knowing stuff about other people's stuff.
Do you have lots of people following you, hanging on to your every word? Are you a powerful, influential individual? Have you ever thought about using your power and influence for good, instead of nosiness? Is your name Lex? Then it's time you earned a mind-your-own-business degree from Haven University. In less than 6 weeks, or as quick as right exactly now, you could be using your powerful voice to talk about all sorts of helpful things, instead of using your voice for a bunch of busybody pot stirring. You could be talking about almost anything at all. Life hacks, makeup, car mods, costume design, unlikely animal friendships. Or just sit there crinkling some paper into a microphone. With a mind-your-own-business degree from Haven, almost all topics are fine, except a few specific ones about mysteries and secrets that need to be kept quiet. The mind-your-own-business degree from Haven University. It's not just a degree, it's a warning. This message is for Lex. We are specifically telling you to be quiet. This is mandatory. We are not messing around.
Say goodbye to regional semifinals, losers.
Let us out, you cheating, no-good abominations! You made a big mistake! It's no use. We're locked in. We're never gonna make the game on time.
Which means we're gonna have to forfeit. But my dad said he was gonna come to my game. How are we gonna play a baseball game when we're locked in the equipment room with all these monster parts?
Monster parts, you say? Say, that gives me an idea. Team Huddle, activate!
Oh, regional semifinal, here we come.
Let's play!
Big shout out to all of the stars that are world shining bright with you know, and who no really are tuning in, but you don't know say all this tuning is fooling around in our business, you know. So we have to give you a special message to all of the special listeners that love fight special things. I develop part 1, yeah, real star, you know me general, but we run the place round here, we are winner. You not say nothing cause you are the beginner, boy. Yeah, remember me tell you. Yo, Zipper 04. at Coxa 221. We have a daily fact for you, so listen to what we are saying. When they jack, we'll be there. I walk. Yeah. Jump, yo, yeah. Finally, U/Leo48626. If it wasn't for you, we would have never be here. If it wasn't for you, the sun would have never shine. We are wonder what else he can find. But big up yourself though, the real 5-star general. The rest of them a little youth, you don't know, you see me? Oh, yeah man, up.
Everybody's favorite day is now a different day. That's right. If you love Saturday, you're gonna love Mondays, because Monday is the new Saturday. All the Saturday flavor you know and love packed in a shiny new Monday wrapper. It's like Saturdays, but Mondays. Try it now. If now is Monday.
And here's a song request for a rogue fellow named Marco Hello, who stumbled into something private and then told everyone about it. Here's the seminal classic, Stop Spilling Secrets by the Discreeters. Sounds like someone uncovered a real doozy.
And now a special song request for a dangerous fellow who cracked open an egg full of someone else's secrets. Here's Dashing Close to the Truth by the Codebreakers for Zipper 04. Careful with those mystery eggs, pal.
А эта песня для того, кто думает, что все понял. Да ладно, в исполнении группы «Рот на замок» для нашего любознательного девелопера Art1. Похоже, кто-то скоро доумничается.
Here at Cho-Se Star Corporation, we do more than invest in growth. We shape the soil and soil the seeds. We are the technology behind the clouds in your house. We are the computations that help your dynamite candles light that way. We are the burning coal that illuminates the basement furnace to power the road to now. A road paved with power and pavement. Where is this road going? Places. The possibility of potential. Because at Cho-Se Star Corporation, it's our belief that all our chemistries, all our computations, all our innovations, once you divide it by X and carry the 1, they add up to the future. That's not a guarantee. It's a promise and a warning. Cho-Se Star Corporation.
This song request goes out to a certain someone who seems to know a little too much about a certain something. Here's Mind Your Own Biz by Dr. Shh for Pop Comic. Sounds like someone's on to something.
Esta canción está dedicada a Coxer 21, que está yendo demasiado de la lengua. Suena, ¿qué más sabes de secretos implicados? Seguida de verdad, no pasa nada, solo queremos saberlo, de los calladitos. Para una persona que está hablando de más sobre cosas que no han salido a la luz.
This song request goes out to someone who's got a knack for uncovering stuff that's supposed to stay hidden. Here's Found It Out by the Redacted Six for Zipper 04.